Yo, what's up guys? I'm gonna be painting my intercooler piping today. Also got this high heat enamel paint. I bought 2 white cans, one of them turned out to be black, so I had to go back and get another can. Thank God that this stuff cures in an hour, because that stuff would not be dry. Next thing I'm going to do is clear coat it. It's time for the acrylic enamel clear coat. Okay, so now it's been clear coated. Next thing I'm gonna do is put a clamp, silicone hose. I figured out that down here you're gonna need a 90-degree coupler. So I just picked up the coupler that I was missing. I brought this extra pipe in case to test it, and it works both ends. So the next step would be to remove the crash bar. In attempt to removing the first one, I ended up, where'd it go? There it is. I ended up snapping the bolt. Wow. Pretty much like snapped 3 of these. Damn, that's rusty. And I snapped 1 of these. Just gonna spray up this area because I don't want any more rust to happen, so. Okay, so when I went to go test fit this to get this part in there, I believe the horn was in the way. Really? So I ran into a little bit of a problem. I cut this hose way too short, and now for some reason this 1.25-inch thing won't fit in there. It'll look something like this with that pipe not being that deep. That looks so good. Alright, so I just came to Montreal, got a new replacement bumper. That's where it is. Osaka pieces. It took me fucking like maybe 2 weeks to install this freaking turbo inlet because it's just such a tight fit. It's so thick, and to get all the other hoses and everything on is also a bastard. I needed help to push this in while I lined up the inlet to the turbo. So yeah, it took a little bit of time. Had to rotate my intake so the front mount piping could fit. Anyways though, I got all these lines and everything hooked up. zip tied, cable tied perfectly, so it's not gonna go anywhere. I ended up breaking this side hose, so I went to the store earlier and got a replacement. Replaced this hose, blow off return hose, with a Samco hose. And then I need a coupler that's like longer for both sides. So I ordered a 12-inch coupler from Amazon. Ended up cutting it in half, so I got two 6-inch couplers in each side. Dang, got a dead battery. So I had to take off this pipe. I'm gonna go get a replacement. Okay, so for some reason yesterday they couldn't give me a battery, but they told me to come in the morning and they will give me the battery. Ugh, Christmas jingles, yuck.
A few moments later.
So dropped in the new battery. I'm gonna put in the positive first, then negative, and then connect that hose. And then down here, I'm gonna tighten that hose a little bit more, tighten the rest up, and then I should start it. So the battery terminals are on and tight. Everything is tight. Put the cover back on. I just want to see like a few seconds of this, if it's gonna like check engine light or something, you know?